Oh, guys. You little poopers. I was trying to film them though, y'all. Everyone. We got a few daredevils already started climbing though. There's one of the little blue collar puppies. He gets scared when he gets up there though. He's not too scared now though. He's out late in the evening right before I bring them in though. But I just noticing they was all out here having such a good time though. Who is that right there? I'm sorry, Pooper. Okay, y'all. This is Ellie's Charlie. Little Ellie's Charlie right there, though. But it's not Charlie Brown like we thought, though. We do have Lucy from Charlie Brown. But he's just Charlie, though. No Charlie Brown, though. Oh, look at that little ferocious bark. There's a little pink collar and red collar. Sunshine, she says, I'm the king out here now. A lot of little poopers are taking her on, though. She thinks she can get away from them by climbing that, but now a lot of them are climbing it too, though, guys. Here's little, I think that's Rachel's goat collar, boy. So. Who's a brave one? That's Lucy. Then Lucy is from Charlie Brown, ain't you, Lucy? Yes, you is, Lucy. Hey, Sunshine, Sunshine! Don't be eating our puppy food. Hey, Lucy. We got one little pooper under there. And little pink collar pooper. Yeah, I just wanted to get a late evenings before I bring them in. There's Lacey right there, guys. And there's well, the Rachel's little golden boy though, with the light reflected collar, just chasing somebody off. Let's move over here and see what we got there. I think that's our Clayton's red collar of single puppy paws, and ATM collar, though dark golden, though. And we got somebody's over there playing with a. Aww. They all just having them a good old time before they come in and go to bed, though. There's Rachel's little light collar again. The other Rachel's, I think, though, with a green reflected collar. Oh! We're just fixing to put them all in the puppy wagon that I bought and made, though, to pull them all in, though. So. It's a biting on me. Who's the show, little rabbit? That's Toby. That's Toby. Yeah, sure is. Oh, look at that good-looking little boy. Who's that you? I assume you're a boy. Okay, that's Charlie. That's your little Charlie, at least Charlie. Oh, look at that little girl there. I think that must be Bella's little red girl. Little dark golden girl, Bella's. Got a few brothers over there at the water trough, and Sunshine eating her puppy food for them. That puppy's... Sunshine! No, Sunshine! Sunshine! Don't worry, y'all. I fed them enough to feed the golden pack that I got, though. No, Sunshine. Sunshine! No, Sunshine! It's for the puppies. You done ate.
Yeah, but I think I gotta eat it too, though. It's my right.
No, Sunshine. I don't want you eating the puppy's food.
I just go over here and eat.
Lucy said, hey, wait a minute, that's our food. Okay, guys, I just want to do a quick video before I take all of our little loving poopers in. They all get to playing. It's all little poopers could do. Oh, little green collar and who's every little pooper that is? I don't do a little monkey around now. Little Charlie's in the food dish. Little goat collar Rachel's. That's who down, little pooper. Who's this, you little pooper? That's a lady. Will's little lady. No, look at there. They got a brave one going up on the puppy climb thing. Oh man, these little poopers are eating over here. Who is that right there? Yeah, Charlie's in the food dish, and two little poopers are up on me. Not food dish, yeah, food dish, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna get your little blue collar paws. I think that's Clayton's little blue collar paws. What's who doing, little pooper? Okay, that's Melissa's red collar with double puppy paws. Ain't that right? Okay, guys. Well, the sun's fastly going down on us now, though, and I guess I ought to go ahead and turn it off for now, guys. Uh-oh. Any big dogs are barking? Okay, guys, I hope y'all have a mighty good evening. Or good night to all, I guess I'd say.